Ngo mar Naivas oriwore koda kambi mar Jumia mar keto yot mar nyiewo mwandu mabende itimo koda customers magi. Kama indika kokang' makamano nobedo.
We are here today to launch a partnership with Naivas to offer convenience and online shopping for consumers to be able to buy all the fresh produce you can be able to get from this store and delivering to the neighboring areas from this location. We've seen the shifts in the consumer behavior where people, because of COVID, people do not want, not many people want to walk into a store. It gives them convenience and it still enables them to get the same fresh kind of produce that you can be able to get delivered to your doorstep in a very contactless manner. No, we don't expect any challenges. For us to be launching today, we've piloted this for a couple of days, and the ops has been very sleek, and everything that we've had is going on really smoothly. We can only now expect to accelerate now that we're telling consumers that we are finally live. I think what you expect from our partnership is think about the assortment that you're able to get from Naivas. You expect to have that assortment delivered in a very timeous manner, delivered in a very safe way, because that is a commitment that we're giving our consumers as Naivas and as Jumia.
We are happy to be here today. I greatly appreciate Jumia's partnership with us. It is one of those moments we actually cherish. As a retail giant, this is actually one of those key milestones that we actually have always endeavored to. Partnership with Jumia is something that we have always longed to have. They are the African market leaders. We are here as the Kenyan retail giants, and this is a union of two giants, and we endeavor to actually come up with a product that is going to sort the whole e-commerce bit for our customers. It's a no-brainer. This is like a fish to the water affair. Jumia and Naivas, it's discussions we've actually had over a while. They know the market well. They're bringing in a lot of international experience and more specific, even other market, African experience. And for us as Naivas, this was actually a no-brainer affair to just say, you know what, Jumia is a partner that you can actually be able to trust, work together, and actually make up and come up with something that's there for the long end. We come in with a lot of learnings. Of course, we have our platform. We anticipate we are going to actually get one, consumer behavior, where exactly they are geolocated, the kind of shopping basket and numbers that we're going to be getting, and of course, trying what we do as a retailer is we focus by SKU. We are going to grow the portfolio from the number of items listed and geo-map that to the regions as we actually expand. So the Nakuru flour is going to be specific to the one that we're going to use. So there is the reward card data that we have, compared with the sales data that we are going to come in and share, and I believe we are going to have one proper data set. Naivas is a home to be. We have partnered with the best Jumia. We anticipate that we are going to get better service. We always offer you the best value. Jumia has the best service in town, and this is a partnership of two giants to actually make sure that we actually come in and give you the